Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into something that can completely change the way you speak English. How to train your brain to think in English naturally and confidently. Why think in English? Do you usually translate from your native language before speaking? You're not alone. But here's the thing, translating in your head slows you down, makes you lose track of conversations, and hurts your fluency. When you train your brain to think in English, something amazing happens. You respond faster. You speak more clearly. And you start to understand English better without constantly switching back and forth. Start simple. Name what you see. Let's begin with a quick exercise. Look around you right now. Name everything you see in English. Say it out loud or in your mind. A laptop, a chair, a cup, a plant. Don't worry if you don't know the exact word. Just describe it. For example, it's something that holds papers together. Guess what? That's a paperclip. Even if you forget the word, your brain stays in English mode, and that's powerful. Move to sentences. Next, turn those words into full sentences. I'm sitting at my desk. I'm watching this video to learn English. I feel motivated today. Still unsure if your sentence is correct? That's okay. The goal is fluency, not perfection. Mistakes are part of learning. If needed, write the sentence down and check it later. But keep practicing. Past and future. Talk about your day. Practice thinking in different tenses. What did you do this morning? I had breakfast. I went for a walk. I studied. What are your plans for later? I'm going to cook dinner. I will watch a movie tonight. Talking about the past and future helps you build real conversation skills. Describe what you're doing. Throughout the day, narrate what you're doing in English. I'm making tea. I'm walking to the store. I'm checking my phone. And if you forget a word, describe it in a simple way. Like, it's the thing I use when it rains. That's an umbrella. This habit keeps your brain thinking in English. Talk to yourself. Yes, really. This might sound weird, but it's one of the best techniques. Talk to yourself in English. You can say things like, I'm cooking now. I need to finish this task. Or pretend you're in a conversation. How was your day? Oh, it was great. I studied and went shopping. You can even practice imaginary scenarios. Excuse me, where can I find the bread? How do I get to the train station? The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel in real conversations. Improve your memory for English words. If you forget new words easily, try these tips. Use new words in a sentence right after learning them. Review them daily, especially before bed. Try flashcards or use an app. Speak the word out loud or use it while talking to yourself. Writing them down is great, but reviewing them regularly is what makes the difference. How long until you think in English? A common question. How long will it take before I can think in English naturally? There's no fixed timeline. But if you practice consistently, even just 5 to 10 minutes a day, you'll start to notice progress in a few weeks. Some people take months, others longer. But the key is, don't stop. Keep going. Summary of what you can do starting today. Name objects around you. Build simple sentences. Describe your day, past, present, future. Talk to yourself in English. Use and review new words. Practice daily, even just a few minutes. Before you go, you're not just learning English. You're living it, one thought at a time. And every time you think in English, you get one step closer to fluency. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe for more English tips every week. And tell us in the comments. What's one thing around you right now you can describe in English? Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.